Hello doctor, my name is DARSHINII SIVASANMUGAM, no metric AN200215.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is SITI ASYIQIN binti AHMAD SAHLAN. My metric number AN200148.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is NURIN NADIAH binti AZHAR with metric number AN200223.
Hi, my name is Aida Sahira binti MOHAMMAD. My metric number AN200137. We are from group InoCOM.
Now, I will further my explanation about my part introduction.
This project is an innovation from an old product that have been given a new breath with better usability and in line with the need of the root cause of the problem that we have set. These innovations we are doing is intended to help solve the root cause of the problem that have been identified. The innovation we choose was the drone as our innovation project because it has the feature we wanted with its size that not too big and its ability to fly, making it one of the products we could want to innovate its use.
The problem statement of our project is some people hardly remember the place they locate their things or objects. Sometimes people get very stressed and spend their time on finding any of their important things when they need them in urgent. And also, some people rush themselves to find their things, and sometimes they tend to waste their money on purchasing those same things again when they won't be able to find them. Now, let's see what is idea generation. Idea generation or ideation is the act of forming ideas. It is a creative process that encompasses the generation, development, and communication of new thoughts and concepts which become the basis of our innovation strategy. It is also a continuous, meticulous search of new viable product development opportunities. Let's see the meaning of creativity, invention, and innovation. Creativity is the ability to generate novel ideas. It is the act of channeling imagination into something concrete. It is very first stage of design where ideas start to actually take form and a plan can be developed. When it's come to invention, invention is the physical creation of a new concept or idea. It value to an existing product or service. Invention cannot occur without creativity, but just creativity is not enough to properly develop an idea. Innovation ties everything together in business. Innovation is the successful exploitation of new ideas. It involves turning an invention into commercial success and encouraging its widespread use.
Now, let's see our solution. There are 4 content. First, existing solution. Second, innovation of product. Third, material. Fourth, drawing of product.
First, existing solution, which is AirTag and drone. AirTag, a small and elegant design accessories which was introduced by Apple. It's helped to keep track of and find the item that matter most with Apple's Find My apps. Whether attached to a handbag, keys, backpack, or other items, AirTag taps into the vast global Find My network and can help locate the lost item, all while keeping location data private and anonymous with end-to-end encryption. It is crystal clear that only iPhone users can access AirTag. Next, drone. Drones have a power source such as a battery or fire, rotors, propellers, and a frame, which allow them to fly. Drones require a controller which is launched, navigated, and landed remotely by an operator. Radio wave, including Wi-Fi, are used by controllers to connect with the drone. Next, innovation of product. Our product is multitasking drone, which is a simple way to track your belongings. When scanning your item using the drone, losing it is not such a huge issue. By navigating to the drone about item missing, the drone will help you to search your item. You can follow the drone if it's nearby, such as behind the sofa or in the next room. Simply follow the drone and your hunt will be finished. Multitasking drone, a high-performance drone which must be light, quick and strong. We are using carbon fiber tubes and carbon fiber plates into our design. The use of lightweight carbon fiber composite brought improved efficiencies in drone by increasing its acceleration and speed. A lighter weight, a major concern in drones. The lighter the weight, the better its flies. Equally has a high strength to weight ratio and very high modulus elasticity to weight ratio also. Similarly, it offers good corrosion resistance. Next, material of our product. The main of multitasking drone materials is drone. Other materials is cable, screw, sensor, metal plate and solder lead. Next is drawing of product. We use AutoCAD to draw our product. For our drawing is contain front view, side view and top view. At the top view, there are buttons for Bluetooth, on or off, and searching. The function of camera is for scanning your belongings and the USB button is for charging.
This is the most important part, which is entrepreneurship strategy.
What is an entrepreneurship strategy? Entrepreneurship strategy was characterized as a strategy involving widespread and more or less simultaneous change in the pattern of decision taken by an organization. This is two strategies that we can use. First, entrepreneurship strategy is we need to share all the informations of the product to the customer. This will make sure that the audience know about the product and what is the function. On this strategy, we can show the audience a demonstrations video on how to use the product. This will help to convince the audience that the product is real and easy to use, and distributing flyers then contain the informations of our product and where it can be found. Next, one of the entrepreneurship strategy for multitasking drone is the marketing strategy. Marketing strategy is very important to ensure that the product is known by the customer and creating a healthy competitions among the other products. The first marketing strategy that will be used is maximum online promotion. This is include the use of social medias and online advertisement such as Facebook ads and Google ads. This will increase the number of viewers who reach the product. Next is the list of the budget to make this product. The total cost of this project is RM493.50 and the sale price of this product is RM700. So the total profit for this project is RM206.50. Each member get RM51.63 for the profit.
Now, let me explain my part about this project.
In conclusion, creativity is the ability to generate novel ideas, while invention is the physical creation of a new concept or idea that needs to be tied together to create a high-quality product. Idea generation or ideation is the act of forming ideas. It is a creative process that encompasses the generation, development, and communication of new thought and concepts, which become the basis of your innovation strategy. By creating an invention product, it can help people not just solve the problem they have faced, but also introduce to other people to new product that can be used in the future. That's all from us. Thank you. Stay safe.